Hello there everyone, and today we are going to make the virus pattern using turtle. I know it's been a long time since I updated, but I pushed it, but this virus pattern is going to be made in 9 lines, believe me. So let's start. First, you want to download turtle with turtle pip install turtle. So our first thing is to import turtle. From turtle import star. After that, you want to say, let's say a speed for our virus pattern. So I want it to be 0.3. After that, I want the color to be cyan. It's kind of cool. So the color's cyan. Next, I want the BG color. The BG color is going to represent the background color. So obviously, I want that black. Next, I want to create a variable saying the b is equal to 200. One sec. Yeah. So I want to create that while b is equal to that. I want left b. So next I want to say forward b. So when it moves forward. So I want that to be 3. B into 3. Next, I'm going to say b is equal to b minus 1. That's it. 9 lines. Now let's just save it and let's just run it. And you see over here, this is the virus pattern. That's 2 minutes. See you tomorrow.